Sometimes you don't need a fancy dish, you need a warm hug. This ginger chicken is savory and ready whenever you need a lift. And the best part, it all happens in one pan. I wonder, what is the one meal that always cheers you up? Start with 700 grams of chicken breast. Do you want it juicier? Use chicken thighs. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Season simply. Pepper, soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. Mix all that flavor in. Add the starch and mix until it is completely dissolved. Set aside and marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Now the soul of the dish. I am using about 50 grams of ginger, and if you want to do something smart, use a spoon to peel it. It is less wasteful. Slice it evenly. For the onions, I am mixing red and yellow for depth. Keep the pieces chunky, we want texture. Creating these piles is relaxing for me. Do you find chopping calming, or is it just a chore? Crush and chop 4 cloves of garlic. Take 5 green onions. Separate the firm whites from the soft greens. Whites for the heat, greens for the finish. Get your pan nice and hot, add cooking oil. Ginger goes first. Bake up that flavor. Once golden, add the garlic and white onions. Wait until the aroma hits you, then add the chicken. Spread it, do not touch it, patience is king. Listen to that sizzle, that is when the flavor wakes up. The big advantage of this dish is that you don't have to take out the individual ingredients. Just push the meat to the edge and create a clearing. Add a drop of oil and sugar. Let it caramelize. Mix it up. Splash in the Shaoxing wine and boil off all the alcohol. Toss in the onions. Let's build the sauce right in the pan. Chicken stock, soy sauce, dark soy sauce for color, and oyster sauce for depth. Mix. Simmer for just 7 minutes. That is all it needs to become rich and flavorful. Lid off. Add the green parts now, it will keep them vibrant and crisp. Serve this over rice, noodles, whatever calls to you. This is how comfort tastes. Simple and humble food that makes you feel good. If you like easy comfort food like this, I have more quick and simple recipes waiting for you on my channel. See you next time, friends.